Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Axie endlessness in a real sense is exchanging at $5 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.15% in absolute most recent 60-minute, which especially is genuinely critical. Axie truly has a fundamentally complete market cap of $586,923,051 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,690,000 in a very enormous manner. This truly makes Axie limitlessness kind of positioning at 60 in the digital money market in an essentially enormous manner. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness generally be genuinely worth in 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Axie boundlessness a kind of wise venture or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023? Will Axie cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they sort of thought. These sort of are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2023 as per the Axie vastness figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $6.14. The normal really least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the very current year ought to fundamentally be $5.89, exhibiting that this truly makes Axie endlessness by and large positioning at 60 in the digital money market, which generally is genuinely critical. Besides, Axie can fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest value level of $6.79, or so they in a real sense thought. Axie vastness value figure June 2023. The by and large normal cost of Axie boundlessness could in every practical sense go to $5.14 toward the finish of June 2023 in a quite enormous manner. Axie could truly be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $5.29 with the base expected cost of $4.65, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie vastness value expectation July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Axie boundlessness cost is conjectured to for the most part arrive at a sort of the least cost of $5.05, exhibiting that these explicitly are our Axie endlessness cost forecasts for Axie's future, which generally is genuinely huge. The Axie cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $5.49 with the kind of typical expected cost around $5.29, or so they sort of thought. Axie boundlessness value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Axie endlessness cost certainly is gauged to especially arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $5.21, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The Axie cost could truly arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $5.76 with the truly normal expected cost around $5.45, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost for Axie boundlessness in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $5.48 and $6.03, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to be around $5.67 amazingly. Axie vastness value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness basically is supposed to especially be at around an especially least of $5.59, exhibiting the Axie endlessness value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness truly is supposed to generally be at around an extremely least of $5.59. Axie endlessness cost can arrive at an especially limit of $6.26 with the typical cost of $5.78 in USD. Axie endlessness value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Axie limitlessness could stretch around $6.55. So Axie boundlessness value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Axie vastness cost truly is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at an actually the least cost of $5.21, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in November 2023 generally is $5.77 within in every way that really matters. Normal cost of $6.02. So on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Axie limitlessness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness be worth in 2023 in an exceptionally enormous manner? Axie value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness is gauged to in every practical sense be at around a sort of least worth of $5.89 in a sort of significant manner. The Axie boundlessness value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $6.79 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $6.14 in USD, showing how Axie vastness value conjecture June 2023 the in every practical sense. Normal cost of Axie vastness could commonly go to $5.14 toward the finish of June 2023 in a kind of huge manner. Axie boundlessness most certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been truly diminished by 0.36% in its truly current worth in an exceptionally significant manner. In the event that we basically look at the especially current market cap of the Axie with yesterday, you can truly see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, exhibiting how Axie vastness value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Axie limitlessness cost basically is figured to in a real sense arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $5.21 in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness sort of is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins. Beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking, the Axie truly is down to nearly 23.68% in the kind of most recent 7 days. Sort of additional appearance how Axie endlessness value gauge October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Axie boundlessness for the most part is supposed to truly be at around a kind of least of $5.59, showing that Axie limitlessness value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Axie vastness explicitly is supposed to basically be at around a by and large least of $5.59, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment, which for the most part demonstrates the way that Axie endlessness cost can arrive at a really limit of $6.26 with the extremely normal cost of $5.78 in USD in an unobtrusive way. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie in a real sense diminished by 46.758%, killing an astounding truly normal amount of $4.39 from its truly current worth, which truly is very huge. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a very decent really purchase and open door for pretty fast speculation. Sort of additional appearance how these sort of are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie future in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 57.34%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a base really normal cost of $10.80 to sort of most extreme genuinely normal cost of $12.31 in the beyond 90 days in a by and large significant manner. Axie endlessness certainly is somewhere near 24.74% with the exceptionally greatest kind of typical cost of the coin fundamentally was around $6.96 and the sort of least lovely typical cost in a real sense was around $6.76 in by and large beyond 4 months, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will by and large be Axie boundlessness especially worth in 2023, or so they essentially thought.